I mean, that's all you're really doing. You're just doing different things. And usually when you pay somebody to do this, you're paying them for the mistakes that they have learned from. Yeah, it took me a while.
I was about to say, you got years of experience, so you know all the ins and outs.
But it's fun, man. I love it. You never get old. And people love it, man.